Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your place. Today's thought of the day is the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Means whatever difficult a task is, you can only complete it if you first start with it. Students, today we are going to do revision. Whatever we had learned before, that a quick revision we are going to do today. Let's start. First we will start with exercise number 1. Okay, tens and ones. In this few we are going to do. First one has already been done. See the second one. What is given here? Can you see the bundle of pencil? If you will count how many it is, it's 110 and 8 ones. Okay, so 110 means what? 10 plus, and how many pencils are there in ones? It's 8. Okay, so we will write here 10 plus 8. 18 is already given, so we will write now the spelling of 18. You all know that very well now. Now see C number. What is given? 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so 20 plus 5 we have to write down. So what will come? 20 plus 5 is 25. And here next we are going to write down the number name of 25. Okay, students, other two and the whole page you can do it by yourself now. It's very easy. Now see the next exercise. What is given? Write the numbers shown in the abacus. Okay, see what is given here. First one has already been done. There are 2 beads here in tens column, so we will write down 2, and 1 beads in ones column, so we will write down 1. So the number will be 21. Now see B. What is given in tens column? How many beads are there? Just count it. Yes, there are 5 beads. And in ones column, how many are there? Yes, there are 7. So our answer will be 57. See the next one now. How many beads are there in tens column? There are 4 beads, and in ones column are 6 beads. So our answer will be 46. Okay. Now see the next question. Here also what is given to us? Abacus is given to us, right? Here the number is given, but we have to draw the number of beads. Okay, so read the question. What is written? Draw beads on the abacus to show the number. Now see the first one. What is written? 4 tens and 7 ones. So what we will do here? In tens column, how many beads we will make? Okay, come on, tell me. Yes, 4 beads in tens column. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 beads. Now see in ones column, how many are there? 7 are there. So how many beads we will put in ones column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 beads. Now see the second one. What number is given? 28 number is given. Okay, so in that way you will put the beads. The first one we had already done. Same way here also count the number and put the beads inside. Now see this exercise. Read the question. How many tens are there in these numbers? Students, see properly what is given. Only we have to find out here tens. How many tens are there? Ones we don't have to find out. We have to find out only tens here. Okay, so no need to write of ones column, just find out the tens. So here 36 number is there. Okay, so how many tens are there here? It's 3 tens. Okay, so you can write down 3 tens also, you can write down 30 also. Both the things are right. Now see the next one. How many tens are there here? 5 tens. No need to write down 5 ones, only we are asked here 5 tens. So we will write down 5 tens here. Now see this exercise. Exercise number 3. What is written? See properly. Always read the question 2 to 3 times, then only you will understand what you are supposed to do. Here what is written? Write these numbers as tens and ones. So students, here we have to find out tens also and ones also. We have to write tens and ones both. Okay. So first one is already done. What is written? 43. That means when we expand the number, what will come? 4 tens and 3 ones. Now see the next one. What? Which number is given? 25. Okay. So the answer will be 2 tens and 5 ones. See the next one. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the place value. Can you see exercise number 4 here? You have to write down the place value whatever the question is asked here. Okay. We are going to do this second one. What is written? 9 in the abacus. So you have to find out where the 9 is. Now see both the columns, tens also and ones also, because here we have to find out whether 9 is in ones column or in tens column. Here question is not asked about tens and ones both. We have to decide that in which column 9 is there. So how you will come to know that? You have to count the beads. Count the beads in ones column. How many are there? There are 7 only. So ones will not come here. Now see in tens column and count the beads. Yes, in tens column 9 beads are there. So what we will write here? We will write down 9 tens, or you can write down 90 also. Both the answers are correct. Okay. So you learn in both the ways. Now see question number 2. Write the place value of these digits in the number. Okay. So here also ones and tens is not said. Okay. Ones and tens is not said. We have to see the question and then we will do the sum. See, we are going to do this 3. Okay. So in A what is given? 5 in 59. मतलब 5 को हमको 59 में देखना है. ठीक है. So 5 is in which column? Ones or tens? Yes, it is in tens column. So what will be our answer? What we will write down? Come on, decide and tell me. Yes, we will write down 5 tens or 50. Both the answers are correct. You can write down 5 tens also. You can write down 50 also. Okay. Now see the next one. 3 in 63. So find out 3 in 63 in which place value it is. It is in ones column. So we will write down 3 ones or only 3. Okay. See the next one. 9 in 89. Again, where is 9 here? In ones column or in tens column? Yes, it is in ones column. So here also we will write down 9 ones or 9. Now students, see, this is the revision which we had done just now. Okay, so in homework what you will do, teacher will send you one worksheet, and that worksheet you have to finish it in your notebook. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.